In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a Google Doc. This is a quick and reliable way to turn a static PDF into something you can edit, comment on, and share in real time, all from your browser. You don't need any extra software, and your original file stays intact the whole time. First, upload the PDF to Google Drive. Open Drive in your browser and sign in. If the file is on your desktop or in a folder, you can simply drag and drop it anywhere inside Google Drive, and you'll see a small progress indicator as it uploads. If you prefer the menus, click the New button in the top left corner, choose File Upload, and select your PDF from your computer. Give it a moment to upload. Larger files or slower connections might take a bit longer. You can place the file in any Drive folder you like to keep things organized. And remember, the upload doesn't change your original PDF on your computer. Once the upload is complete, convert it by opening it with Google Docs. In Drive, right-click the PDF, hover over Open With, and choose Google Docs. Google will automatically create a new editable document and begin converting the contents of the PDF. Behind the scenes, it's extracting text and layout information. If the PDF contains scanned pages, Google will attempt to recognize the text so you can edit it. Depending on the complexity and length of the file, this may take a few seconds. When it finishes, you'll see a new Google Doc with the same name as your PDF, while the original PDF remains untouched in Drive. Finally, review the document to make sure everything looks right. Conversion tends to be most accurate for simple, text-heavy documents. Take a moment to scan the headings, paragraphs, and spacing. If your PDF had columns, multiple fonts, tables, or images, you may need to adjust alignment, reformat a table, or reposition pictures to match your preferred layout. Check that special characters, bullet points, and hyperlinks carried over correctly. If anything looks off, use standard Google Docs tools to fix fonts, paragraph spacing, and styles. It can help to keep the original PDF open in a separate tab so you can compare and quickly spot differences as you fine-tune the layout. And that's all there is to it. Upload the PDF to Google Drive, open it with Google Docs to convert, and review for accuracy. You'll have a fully editable document ready to revise, collaborate on, and share.